Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm gonna suggest few road trips in India. I went to a few of these road trips, but I was too young to drive, so I want to go again. I want to ride my bike or drive a car. Anything would be fine because it is very beautiful and you got to cherish each and every moment that nature has to offer. At the end of the video, I'm gonna add a time lapse, a sunset time lapse, which is gonna be very beautiful. And don't miss it and watch the video till the end. Thank you.
At number 9 is Vizag to Araku Valley. Vizag is a popular tourist destination mainly known for its beaches. Located at a distance of 120 kilometers from Vizag is a beautiful hill station called Araku, which is as popular as the beaches of Vizag. Located at an altitude of 911 meters above the sea level, Araku is a must visit destination for tourists visiting Vizag. Araku Valley is mainly inhabited by tribals, and the tribal museum is one of the main attractions here. Araku is also known for its coffee plantations. December to February is the winter season, and the temperature during these months drop down to 5 degrees Celsius, and this is the best time to visit Araku. At number 8 is Manali to Spiti Valley. The distance between Manali to Spiti is little over 200 kilometers. It is best to leave Manali early in the morning, preferably before 6 am, to avoid major traffic congestions. It is very popular with motorcycle enthusiasts. The ideal time to visit Spiti is from May to October. During this time, the weather is sunny and pleasant. Spiti is also the most accessible during these months. At number 7 is the Rameshwaram Pamban Bridge. It is the longest sea bridge in India, and its length is nearly 2.2 kilometers and stands as a fine example for Indian architecture. The Pamban Road Bridge connects the National Highway 49 with the Rameshwaram Island, and it stands parallel to the Pamban Railway Bridge. There are many ancient temples to visit in Rameshwaram, and the famous southern tip, the Anushkodi beach, is a must see. Best time to visit is from the month of October till the month of March, when the temperature is pleasant and enjoyable. During this time, the temperature ranges between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, making it the best time to explore the town. At number 6 is Chennai to Pondicherry. The East Coast Road, also known as the ECR, is 175 kilometers and takes 4.5 hours of driving, giving you plenty of time to make pit stops and explore everything. Running along the beautiful East Coast, start early in the morning so that you can catch the sunrise, soak in the sea breeze, stop over for breakfast, and still reach Pondicherry before noon. Best time to visit is October to February. Places to visit during this trip are Vellore, Kanchipuram, and Auroville. At number 5 is New Delhi to Rann of Kutch, a route where the horizon never ends and the eyes never soak enough. The drive will take you through 3 states, Delhi, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. It's an extraordinary experience that cannot be summed up in words. It's a journey through fertile lands, arid mountains, dry air, colorful attire, and abundant smiles. New Delhi to Kutch route map is New Delhi, Neemrana, Ajmer, Pali, Mount Abu, Bhuj, and the Great Rann of Kutch. Best time to visit is October to March, and preferably plan the trip such that you are in the Great Rann of Kutch or on the full moon. Places to visit during this trip: Mount Abu, Wild Ass Sanctuary, Prag Mahal, Aina Mahal, beach at Manvi Palace. At number 4 is Mumbai to Goa. If you love driving, then there is nothing more pleasurable than driving from Mumbai to Goa through those Western Ghats. The landscape turns from skyscrapers to 50 shades of green within a few hundred kilometers. The Ghats are visually delight, carpets of lush green dotted with numerous rivers, streams, reservoirs, and waterfalls. Mumbai to Goa route map is Mumbai, Pune, Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Goa. Best time to visit Goa is between late October and early April. If you want, you can avoid the peak season, that is December to mid January. Best places to visit during the trip are Pune, Lonavala, and Kolhapur. At number 3 is Guwahati to Tawang. Buddhist sculptures, snow clad mountains, Indian army camps, and the yak cheese are just some of the awesome things that await you on this mystical trail. Places to visit during this trip are Kaziranga, Tezpur, and Sela Pass. At number 2 is Coimbatore to Bangalore. If you are a nature lover, then you will love the highway that goes from Coimbatore to Bangalore. It is one of the most scenic roads, which is famous for its 36 hairpin bends. With green pastures and tall trees surrounding these roads, it is one of the most beautiful highways in India. Moreover, the route will take you to the popular Mudumalai National Park, so you can take pit stops here to witness fauna in natural habitat. Best time to visit: the season between October and March post monsoon is considered best for the road trip. Places to visit during the trip are Mysore, Bandipur Tiger Reserve, Ooty, Kannur, and Coimbatore. At number 1 is Manali to Leh. This highway is one of the roads that lead to heaven on earth called Leh Ladakh. It is one of those highways in the world which offers almost everything nature has to offer to an adventure lover. Serious travelers in India and abroad do have a dream of traveling on this dangerous and beautiful highway at least once in their lifetime. I am one of those. Manali to Leh route map is Manali, Rotangla, Jispa, Baralachala, Sarchu, Lachungla, Pang, Tangrangla, Leh. Best time to visit is June to September.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?